Hello, welcome to ClearPace English. My name is James. Today we will learn 10 important business words for your work. We will speak very slowly and clearly. This is for adult beginners. Please listen carefully and repeat the sentences with me. Let us begin. Word number 1. Meeting. Meeting. Let's spell it. M-E-E-T-I-N-G. Meeting. A meeting is when people at work talk together. They talk to share ideas and make decisions. Meetings are very common in the office. You can have a meeting in an office room. You can also have a meeting online. James is in a meeting with his team right now. I have a meeting at 10 o'clock. I have a meeting at 10 o'clock. The meeting was very productive. The meeting was very productive. Now it is your turn. Please say it. Meeting. Very good. Word number 2. Deadline. Deadline. Let's spell it. D-E-A-D-L-I-N-E. Deadline. A deadline is the time or date when you must finish your work. It is the final time to complete a task. When the deadline is close, you must work carefully. James is finishing his report before the time ends. The deadline for this report is Friday. The deadline for this report is Friday. We must meet the deadline. We must meet the deadline. Now you try. Please say it. Deadline. Excellent. Word number 3. Agenda. Agenda. Let's spell it. A-G-E-N-D-A. Agenda. An agenda is a list of things to talk about in a meeting. It is a plan for the discussion. It helps you stay organised. James reads the agenda before the meeting starts. He wants to know what they will talk about today. Please check the agenda before the meeting starts. Please check the agenda before the meeting starts. What is on the agenda today? What is on the agenda today? Now it is your turn. Please say it. Agenda. Great job. Word number 4. Feedback. Feedback. Let's spell it. F-E-E-D-B-A-C-K. Feedback. Feedback is information about your work. It tells you if you are doing a good job or if you need to improve. James talks to his manager. His manager gives him advice. This is helpful feedback for James. My manager gave me helpful feedback on my work. My manager gave me helpful feedback on my work. I appreciate your feedback. Thank you. I appreciate your feedback. Thank you very much. Now it is your turn. Please say it. Feedback. Wonderful. Word number 5. Goal. Goal. Now, let's spell the word goal. G-O-A-L. Goal. Goal. A goal is something you want to achieve. It is a target for the future. You work hard to reach your goal. James has a goal to learn 10 new words today. He is working very hard to finish. Our goal is to finish the project this month. Our goal is to finish the project this month. We reached our goal. We are successful. We reached our goal. Congratulations to everyone on the team. Now it is your turn. Please say it. Goal. Excellent work. Let's review the first 5 words. Meeting. Deadline. Agenda. Feedback. And goal. Good. Let's continue. Word number 6. Colleague. Colleague. Let's spell it. C-O-L-L-E-A-G-U-E. Colleague. A colleague is a person you work with. They are on your team or in your company. James has many colleagues at work. He likes to talk with them during the lunch break. Sarah is my colleague in the marketing team. Sarah is my colleague in the marketing team. My colleagues are very helpful. My colleagues are very helpful. Now it is your turn. Please say it. Colleague. Very good. Word number 7. Presentation. Presentation. Let's spell it. P-R-E-S-E-N-T-A-T-I-O-N. Presentation. A presentation is when you show information to a group of people. You explain your ideas clearly. James is giving a presentation today. He uses pictures and charts to help people understand. I am giving a presentation about our new product. I am giving a presentation about our new product. Your presentation was excellent. You did a wonderful job today. Your presentation was excellent. You did a wonderful job with the slides today. Now it is your turn. Please say it. Presentation. Excellent. Word number 8. Schedule. Schedule. Let's spell it. S-C-H-E-D-U-L-E. Schedule. A schedule is a plan of times. It shows when things will happen during your day. James has a very busy schedule. He uses a calendar to remember all his tasks. My schedule is very busy this afternoon. My schedule is very busy this afternoon. Let's look at the schedule. Let's look at the schedule. Now it is your turn. Please say it. Schedule. Great job. Word number 9. Workspace. Workspace. Let's spell it. W-O-R-K-S-P-A-C-E. Workspace. Your workspace is the place where you do your work. It can be a desk, an office, or even a coffee shop. James likes to have a quiet workspace. A clean desk helps him focus on his work. I keep my workspace organized and quiet. I keep my workspace organized and quiet. This is my new workspace. This is my new workspace. Now you try. Please say it. Workspace. Wonderful. Word number 10. Collaboration. Collaboration. Let's spell it. C-O-L-L-A-B-O-R-A-T-I-O-N. Collaboration. Collaboration is when people work together. They combine their skills to reach a common goal. James believes that collaboration is important. Working together makes the team stronger. Good collaboration makes our team stronger. Good collaboration makes our team stronger. We need more collaboration on this project. We need more collaboration on this project. Now it is your turn. Please say it. Collaboration. Excellent job. Fantastic. Let's review all 10 words one last time. Meeting. Deadline. Agenda. Feedback. Goal. Colleague. Presentation. Schedule. Workspace. And collaboration. You did a great job today. Thank you for learning with me. Please practice these words at work every day. See you next time at ClearPace English. Slow English, fast progress. Goodbye.